Hi, this is Katerina from Aegis Home Care and Hospice, and today we will talk about yoga, chair yoga. Let's see what does yoga do for you. Yoga improves balance and stability, improves flexibility, respiration, reduces high blood pressure, reduces anxiety, and encourages mindfulness. Let's talk about some poses that we use in our classes. So first off, we use mountain pose. This one usually is kind of like equal to standing, and we usually start our yoga class with this pose or use it between other poses, and that helps us reset and balance the body. Next one, overhead stretch. While still seated in a chair, take a deep breath through your nose and raise both arms above your head, hands together over your head. As you exhale, slowly lower your arms, the palms of your hands together in front of your heart. Repeat this a few times, slowly inhaling while you raise both arms and exhaling while you move your hands together in front of your heart. Now try spreading your fingers wide apart as you move your arms up and down. Notice the air between your fingers. So the mountain pose, you want to make sure that you sit kind of in the middle of your chair, feet apart, and put your hands on your legs. And this is equal to a standing position. And usually we try with some breathing techniques when you inhale in your belly and you see it inflate, and exhale, deflate. And again, inflate and deflate. Like a ball, inflate and deflate. Very good. Now overhead pose, as we said, the palms are together, and inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. If you want to open your fingers and feel the air, inhale up and exhale down. And again, inhale up and exhale down. And one more time, inhale up and exhale down. Next pose, it's called seated cat and a cow stretches. Cat cow stretches helps loosen your spine, and this stretch is also coordinated with your breathing. Place your hands face down on the top of your legs as in seated mountain pose. Now inhale and gently arch your spine as you push your belly and chest forward, looking up slightly toward the ceiling. Exhale and gently round your spine, looking slightly down toward your belly button. Slowly repeat 5 times. Chair seated twist. Reach left hand to the back edge of your chair. Place right hand on your left thigh. Gently twist and look back over your left shoulder. And then repeat this on the other side. Reach right hand to the back edge of your chair. Place left hand on your right thigh. Gently twist and look back over your right shoulder. So cat and cow. So we're going to keep your feet apart, and we're going to inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. And again, inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. And inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. And one more time, inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. Now spine stretch. You place your hands and look sideways. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And rotate over to the other side and breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Now chair pigeon pose. Raise the leg, holding it carefully with your hands, and place it over the right thigh, sitting comfortably. Once placed comfortably, sit straight if possible and take 6 breaths here. If bringing the leg over and placing it on the other is difficult, then lift the right leg and try and hold in your arms for a few seconds and then slowly release. And then try to do this over to the other side. Seated low lunge. Pick the left leg and bring it close as you can to your chest. Hold for 6 breaths and then repeat over to the other side. You're gonna bring your leg right there and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Reset 6 breaths. Inhale and exhale, and a few more. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Switch your legs and breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Excellent. If you want to stretch a little more, you can actually move forward too and hold it there for a few more breaths. Now we're going to do seated lunge, where we bring your knee towards to your chest and just hold it. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale, and switch your legs. Breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. I like to combine this exercise with some stretches. So either you bring your toe up and down a few times, or you circle your toe in one direction and the other direction. Chest expansion in the chair. Sitting up tall, hold on the back of the chair, or expand your chest for 3 deep, slow, cleansing breaths. Cactus pose. After relaxing, raise the arms to shoulder level towards the sides while bending the elbows, and feel the stretch at the chest. Inhale and open the arms wide, expanding the chest while the focus is straight in front, keeping the spine expanded or straight. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. This exercise, feet apart, and you can bring your hands back, and if you can, either keep them back or hold the chair. And if you like, you can actually stretch your head up, and you inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. And you can repeat this 3 times. So the next is cactus pose. Put your feet apart, arm to your side, and stretch. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Excellent. Eagle pose. Bring the legs at the ankles to cross, taking right over left. Cross the elbows, right over left. Interlock the arms and feet to stay in seated with eagle arms on chair. Stay for about 3 breaths. Release and repeat to the other way left ankle over the right, and left elbow over the right. Stay for 3 breaths. Easy pose, chair, one leg opposite arm raised. Sitting tall, start with both feet planted on the floor. Lift the left arm up in the air by the ears at the same time. Lifting the opposite leg up at the hip level with flexed foot. Hold for 3 breaths and lower and repeat same side for 3 sets, then switch sides. And sun salutation. Hands in a prayer position, reach overhead, forward fold, neutral position, repeat 3 times, and end it in the prayer position. So the eagle pose, so cross your leg over. Now cross your arms over and sit this way. And inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. If this is too hard for you, you can always put your hands in your prayer position. And so you can just cross the other leg over. And if you want to do the prayer position, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Now one leg stretch. Bring your leg up and stretch, and bring your arms next to your body. And inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Switch your legs and breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. I usually like to cross your legs when we're switching from one leg, just to give a little bit of rest, and do 3 deep breaths and then switch over to the other leg. Now, sun salutation, we're going to start with your hands in the prayer position and then reach up. Now fold down and slowly sit back in the prayer position. And again, inhale up, exhale down, inhale and exhale, and inhale up, exhale down, inhale and exhale. Excellent. And now we will finish with meditation. Like astronauts who explore outer space, we are voyagers exploring our inner space. Be in the experience, present with what is. Let the change happen, allowing your body to take the direction you are giving. Breathing deeply and slowly, repeating each phrase silently to yourself. I am finding stillness. I feel quiet. I'm beginning to feel quite relaxed. My legs are relaxed. My hips are relaxed. My abdomen is relaxed. The entire center of my body feels light, calm, and comfortable. My hands are quiet and warm. I can continue to breathe deeply and slowing. My entire body quiet, comfortable, and calm. My mind is quiet. I withdraw myself from my surroundings and feel serene and still. My thoughts are turning inward. I feel at ease. Within myself, I can visualize and experience myself as calm, comfortable, and quiet. My mind is calm and quiet. And deeply inhale and exhale. And if you had closed eyes, open your eyes. And thank you for learning a few things from yoga and meditation. And I hope you have a great day and stay healthy and fit.